In front of me is DORO 8100, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off suggestion strip at the top of your Gboard. First of all, you need to access device's settings and scroll all the way down. Then tap on System, Language and Input, On-Screen Keyboard, and finally Gboard. Following that, after accessing text correction, use the switcher next to Show Suggestion Strip to manage it. So when I go back, as you can see, mine was successfully enabled. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!